If you turn on the air conditioning in your Kia Sportage and no air comes out of these vents, it means the blower motor is not working, and it might be caused by a blown fuse or a faulty relay. Both the fuse and the relay for the AC blower motor are located in the engine compartment fuse box. Pop the hood and near the 12-volt battery you will find the main fuse box. Press the tabs on the sides of the top cover and lift it up. Now flip the cover and you will see a diagram of all the fuses and relays in the fuse box. On the top left corner of the diagram you will see a large fan symbol. This is the relay for the AC blower motor. That will be this relay. To test the relay, you can swap it with another relay of the same type that you know is working. For example, you can swap it with the rear defogger relay. Pulling this relay is a little tricky. I have this relay puller tool, but it does not work here. As I can't get it under the relay, there is no space. To remove the relay, you can use a pair of adjustable pliers. To avoid damaging the relay, you can place a piece of cloth on the relay. Grip the relay firmly but gently and pull it straight out. Now pull out the relay for the rear defogger. As you can see, both the relays are exactly the same and has the same markings. Only swap relays of same type. If the blower motor starts working after swapping the relay, the original relay is faulty and needs to be replaced. If the blower motor still does not work, then it might be due to a blown fuse. Let's take a look at the fuse diagram on the back of the cover. This is the fuse for the AC blower motor and it's a 40 amp fuse. This fuse is actually inside the multi-fuse strip. Look through the small window on the side and you will see multiple filaments. The fourth filament from the top is the fuse for the blower motor. If the fuse is blown, the filament or the wire you see inside will be broken or burnt. If the fuse is blown, you cannot replace this individual fuse. You will have to replace the entire multi-fuse strip. Before removing the multi-fuse, you should disconnect the negative term of the battery for safety reasons. The multi-fuse is held in place by a nut on one side and plastic clip on the other. Use a 10mm socket to loosen and remove the nut. Then push the tab on the other side with a flathead screwdriver and pull out the multi-fuse. Carefully wiggle it back and forth while pulling upward to loosen it. You may need to apply a bit of force to get it out of the slot, as it can be tightly seated. Now that the multi-fuse strip is out, you can also test the fuse with a multimeter. Set the multimeter to continuity or resistance setting. Place one probe on this large metal piece and the other probe on the metal contact under the blower motor fuse. If you see zero resistance, the fuse is good. If the multimeter reads OL, the fuse is blown. However, in most cases, visual inspection is enough to determine if the fuse is blown or not. If the fuse is good and the AC blower motor is still not working, then it might be caused by a faulty blower motor or control module. Further diagnosis is needed. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to WheelsJoint for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching.